So we'll continue with our second part of Swar Gyan. Yesterday we talked about what is Swar. So what is Swar? So I will give a fast recap. Swar means saas. Swar means saas, breath. Everybody of us are living with a breath each and every waking and sleeping moment. Without breath, we are nothing. We are because of our breath. But we are taking this breath in a very unaware state. We are not aware of our breath. If we become aware of this just simple thing, breath, we will get everything we desire and we will be healthy and healthy. Most of the disease in our body are because of the wrong way of taking the breath. We have two nostrils. God could have given us one nostrils also. Have you ever wondered why we do have two nostrils? I know most of the people will say because we inhale from one nostril and we exhale from the other nostrils. No, we inhale and exhale from the same nostril. Yes, that is the long thought myth which I am going to break today. We always breathe from the same nostril and exhale also from the same nostril. And in the meanwhile, our other nostril is always blocked. Generally, this process lasts for 1 hour 25 minutes. We inhale and exhale from one nostril, suppose right nostril for 1 hour 25 minutes, and then again it switched to left nostril 1 hour 25 minutes. This is the process with which the God has sent us. But due to unhealthy diet, due to emotional ups and downs, due to wrong posture of our body, this doesn't maintain. किसी के body में in somebody's life there is a lot of breathing through the right nostril, in somebody's lot of breathing from the left nostril, and this right nostril is called as what? Right nostril is called as a small test.
Surya Nadi. Surya Nadi.
Surya Nadi.
Very good. And Surya Nadi give what in the body? Increases heat in the body. Very good. And the left nostril is associated with
Chandra Nadi.
Nadi, which give coolness to our body. So just imagine our body is what? The mixture of hotness and coolness, Surya and Chandra. So if there is an imbalance in Chandra or Surya, it creates diseases. Diseases is not something like all the time viruses are coming in our body, bacteria. It's not so. It's not so. It's the imbalance of hotness and coolness in our body. Sometimes if the hotness increases, we feel gastric acidity, and when the coolness increases, that means it is associated with cough in our body, and cough leads to diabetic, cough leads to thyroid, cough leads to pains. Any kind of pain which you are having in our body is due to the increase in the coolness on our body. If you find out what is the reason behind your disease, it's due to the increase of the hotness or the increase of the coolness. You will automatically adjust your body according to it. Whoever is a diabetic patient here, I will say if your fasting is too high, if you're fasting every day when you wake up in the morning and do your fasting test, if it's high, sleep in the Surya Nadi for whole night, just for 2-3 days, then you will see automatically your fasting level is coming in. What is the reason behind it? The reason behind it, when you eat food in the wrong nadi, that means if you're eating food in a Chandra nadi, the food doesn't get digested properly. The glucose which is available in the food doesn't dissolve in your blood, doesn't dissolve properly in your blood, and it makes you diabetic. So for all the diabetic patients, you need to increase the Surya effect in your body. Whole night, sleep in Surya Nadi. That means you have to sleep in your left side. So whole night the Surya Nadi will be activated. The hotness in your body will be activated, which will decrease the glucose in your body, which will make your food get digested properly. If the food is getting digested properly, you will have no extra glucose in your body. And same thing is with uric acid. What is uric acid? When the protein is not absorbed by your blood. when the protein is not properly absorbed by your blood, all these diseases are associated with the improper indigestion of the food. When our food is not properly digested by us, it gives us either uric acid, it will either give us glucose, or the or will make us diabetic. Okay, so just a simple thing which I will say today: try to eat your food in Surya Nadi. Whatever your time of eating is, whether lunch or breakfast or dinner, you know your timing. Like if you have your lunch by 2 o'clock, start your Surya Nadi in 1.30 hours, and keep it Surya Nadi active even half an hour after you feed. So it will just digest your food like anything. No byproducts will be left in your body, which will give you diseases. So whoever is suffering from diabetic and uric acid, please have your food in Surya Nadi. In few days only, you will see the miraculous downfall in your sugar fasting, in your uric acids. Because these two diseases are mainly associated with proper indigestion of the food. And why this proper indigestion happens? Just because you don't eat your food in a proper night. So everybody try to sleep at night in Surya Nadi. Have your food in Surya Nadi. Everybody, not only people who are suffering from diabetes or uric acid or any such issues. In our body, you all know our body is made up of, we say, Panch Tattva. Everybody know that our body is made of 5 elements, or Panch Tattva, we say. Earth, fire, Vayu, Agni, this all. So our body is made of this. But whenever there is an imbalance in these things, like sometime in our body when there is more of hotness, more of water elements, more of Vayu Tattva, or we say the air. So air is associated with diseases. Air is again associated with gastric and acidity. And when gastric and acidity is associated with hotness in our body. Till now, I had spoke about the coolness in our body. Whenever there's a coolness in our body, it's rise to indigestions. It will give rise to diabetes. It give rise to uric acid, and it also give rise to arthritis and joint pains or pain of any kind in the body. Whoever is suffering for any kind of pain, whether it's arthritis, whether it's joint pain, or whether it's any kind of pain, it is associated with the coolness of our body. So now you understand where you have to rise the hotness of our body if you are associated with any of these things. And when the hotness in our body increases, it gives rise to acidity, ulcer, and gastric. Basically, these three things. Cold and cough is also associated with coolness in our body. Migraine, yes, I need to talk about migraine because I think migraine is a big problem. Now and very often we people get migraine. Migraine is what? Pain of our head. It can give a pain over here, it can give a pain over here, it can give a pain over here, it can give you a pain over here. Anywhere. So to ease migraine, what you should do, you should check. Suppose this side of the head is paining. I'm suffering from the migraine from the right side of my head. I will immediately check which nostril is working. It might be right, it might be left, any side. Suppose now my left is working. So immediately what I will do, I will start my opposite side. Listen to this very carefully. Migraine. Any side of the nostril can work. And whichever side you're working, you have to immediately start the opposite side. Just that. Whichever side of your head is paining, whichever side of your nostril is working, it doesn't matter. You just have to check which nostril is working and you start with the another nostril. Just block this. Suppose my right head is paining, but my left nostril is working. What I will do, I will block my left nostril. I will start breathing from my right nostril. I will start immediately. Immediately, there will be a relief in my migraine. Immediately, there will be a relief in my migraine. Same thing happened with cold and cough. If you are suffering from cold and cough, start your Surya Nadi. Surya Nadi will increase the hotness in our body. If you are suffering from cold and cough, just block your left nostril. Start breathing from your right nostril for a few minutes. Once your Surya Nadi get activated, you will get immediate relief in your cold and cough. If you are suffering from high fever, increase the coolness in your body. Start breathing from your left nostril. It will immediately bring down the temperature in your body.
Kriti, you want to take a question now?
Okay, yeah. I will, yeah.
Pratiksha?
Okay. Yeah, I have a question. You said that sleep on your Surya Nadi, so you're sleeping on your left. But does it mean if you're sleeping on your left, your Surya Nadi stays active until you're sleeping on a left, or it still switches to the other nostril?
No, it won't switch.
It won't switch?
No.
Okay.
If you sleep on your right, your Chandra Nadi will be activated. It won't switch automatically until and unless you sleep on the other side. The whole night it will be your Chandra Nadi only if you will sleep on your right side. So it is always advisable to sleep on your left side because night is associated with Chandrama. Chandrama is moon. Moon is the coolness. Moon is associated with coolness of our body. Our body is made of 75% water. And we all know during the Purnima and Amavasya, it gives more coolness to our body because the moon energy, what we call moon tide, affects our body energy. So it will bring more coolness to our body. So it's always advisable, and for the people like you who stay in America, where you feel
always cold,
always cold. It's always advisable to sleep on the left side whole night. Please make it a habit to sleep on your left side.
I did yesterday whole night. I was sleeping on left, but when I woke up in the morning, I felt my right is blocked, So that's why.
Yes, it will be blocked. It will be blocked because you are sleeping on your left side. So your Surya Nadi was active now. The Chandra Nadi was blocked. When your one Nadi is active.
No, the right was blocked.
No, it can't be.
I felt like it was like a congestion. Yeah.
Yeah, it can't be. Because if you're sleeping on your left, your light will be open. And sometimes actually you people are not you're not practicing it from long. Sometimes you don't even feel. We also sometimes don't feel it. In morning also I was feeling konsa nadi chal raha, I couldn't make out. Sometimes it's not possible to make out.
It's hard to figure out, which one is on and which one is.
Hard to figure out. Sometimes it will take time. It will take time. Sometimes you will feel both the nostrils are working. Sometimes you will feel you are confused. This is working. We leave it. I can't make out. It is hard to make out sometimes. It will come. It will definitely come with practice. You need to have practice at most of 2 months. Within 1 and 2 months, it's very easy to understand.
So Kriti, sorry. I mean, done, right? Done, Pratiksha, done, na?
Yes.
Okay. So for migraine, you said whatever side is having pain, that nadi should be working, right? The other side
nadi. It's not like that. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Any of the nadi can be working at that moment. It's not that on which side you have a pain, that nadi is working. I said, wherever side you have a pain, any nadi can be working that way. It's not associated with nadi. But whichever nadi is working, you should stop that nadi and start with the other nadi.
So, okay. So whatever is, it doesn't matter with the pain of having a right side pain, but I should switch it. Whatever is working, I should switch it to other one.
Yes, you should just switch off to the other one. It is not associated with any nadi. It is not associated with any nadi, but whichever side your nadi is working, just switch it. Just switch it.
Okay, and other question, I don't think so it's relevant, but it's always bugging me from last 2 weeks. When you said Panch Tattva, it again came up. Is Panch Tattva and Panch Mahabhuta same?
No, they are different. I will send the notes. Panch
Okay.
Mahabhuta and Panch Tattva.
I tried
I
to
will
look
send
it
them.
up, but I always got confused in those things because I asked couple people and they said no, they are same. But I was not feeling they are
It's
same.
not totally same. Yeah, it's not the same. There is a difference. I will send you the difference.
Okay,
Whatever.
okay. Thank you so much.
Anybody else? Or shall we go ahead?
We can go ahead now.
Yeah. So any type of pain. So yesterday, Prachi ji sent me a long list of the things people wanted to ask. So there were a lot of questions relating to pain, shoulder pain, joints pain, hands pain. But all the pain basically is associated with the increase of coolness in our body. Sometimes people say, whenever we wake up in the morning, my hands are stiff, my legs are stiff, my joints are stiff, especially in the morning. But as they grow up, it's become normal. But why it is so in the morning? Because you sleep in Chandranadi. It will increase more coolness on the body. And when the more coolness is induced in your body, you feel more pain when you wake up in the morning. So every night, just if you follow this few simple steps, every night sleep in your Surya Nadi. Before food, have your Surya Nadi activated. And it doesn't matter, if you are working on 4 hours on Chandra Nadi, 6 hours on Surya Nadi, it doesn't matter at all. अगर आपकी चंद्र नाड़ी दिन में 2 घंटे 3 घंटे लगातार चल रही है, it's not switching over in 1 and 25 minutes, it doesn't matter at all. It's your body which will adjust, but if you're suffering from some particular diseases, then only try to change it. Otherwise, it doesn't matter if your Chandra Nadi is working continuously for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Those who are yoga trainers or do lot of yoga, dancing, Zumba or any physical work, they are उनके सूर्य नाड़ी ज़्यादा चलती है. And some people are suffering from obesity. Obesity, heavy weight. They say we are doing so much of diet control. We do exercise also. We do yoga also. But still we are not losing weight. Or sometimes it's happened, you lose weight. But as soon as you stop going to gym, as soon as you stop dieting, you again gain weight. Why? Because whenever you are working out, you are not doing it in Surya Nadi. Until and unless you work out in Surya Nadi, you can't lose weight. You have to work out in Surya Nadi. Whatever workout you are doing, walking, whether it's walking, whether it's Zumba, whether it's yoga, whether it's gymming, anything, you have to work out in Surya Nadi. Otherwise, it's very difficult for you to lose weight. And once you start working out on these things in Surya Nadi, you will lose weight really fast. Then some people are suffering from sinus. I got this also regarding sinus. Sinus is what? Sinus is associated with cold, cough, and migraine. This is a combination of cold, cough, and migraine. Whenever we have cold and cough from long times, it settles over here. And whenever we have an attack of sinus, it's give a pain over here. So for sinus also, when you are having a sinus pain, just change your nostrils and learn to sleep in the left side of your body. It will give you a cure. So basically the whole funda is sleeping at night on your left side, eating your food on your Surya Nadi, working out in Surya Nadi, and whatever Nadi else it's working, it's perfectly fine. I will tell you one more simple technique, though I didn't intended to tell this because I think you people are very new, but I think, okay, let's do. We all are born from a mother. And when we were in the womb, whenever we were in the womb, we were joined with umbilical cord in the navel of our mother. Navel is the most important part of our body and it is mostly neglected. The most important part and mostly neglected. Navel is the point where all the nadis, when all the nervous system, where all the nerves our body joins. It's called the Hara point. In our body, we have got 75,000 nadis. Most of the people are suffering for nerve disorder. Most of the pain in our body, most of the depressions, most of the headache, and many diseases are associated with nerve pain. Whenever we go to doctor, what happened? Nerves issue. Nerves issue. Doctor learned this word. It's a nerves issue. So what is this nerves issue? We are neglecting this navel of ours. So what should we do? We have to charge this navel. Our mobile, if you won't charge for a single day, it is going to die. So navel is the most important part of our body. If we don't charge it, what happened? Our nerves are not getting proper prana uja, proper chi, proper energy is not flowing in it. And that's why it's becoming thinner and thinner. It is becoming thinner and thinner. Less energy is going into our body because nerves are the point which is giving flow of energy and blood and oxygen in our body. But when we are neglecting our navel, neglecting our nervous system, we are not getting proper oxygen, proper blood, proper energies in our body. We feel so lethargic because of the lack of energy. So how this energy is distributed in our body? This energy is not properly distributed in our day because we are not taking care of our navel. In early days, we used to see our ancestors used to put warm hot oil in the navels. Hot oil in the navel. Why? Because that was charging the navel. We all have to learn to charge our navels. So how do we charge this navel? Whenever we sleep at night, on our left, we see that our Surya Nadi is activated. Once we check that your Surya Nadi is activated, just take your right hand. Right hand is associated with our Surya Nadi, right? Put it in your navel. While you are lying down, you don't have to sit for this. Just put your right hand, put it on your navel, and take few deep breaths in. Just this 20 times. This is the way you are charging your navel. With the hotness of the Surya Nadi. And when you wake up in the morning and when you see that your Chandra Nadi has started working, take your left hand, put it in your navel, take a deep breath 20 times. Then you are charging it with Chandra Nadi. So like this, we will have a balance of Surya and Chandra in your navel. You have charged it. And mind it, when you start charging your navel every day, you will feel more energetic and you will have lesser and lesser of nervous problem. Most of our body in modern days I am seeing is because of the nerve issue. Most of the pains in our body, most of the mental issues in our body, and lots of diseases are coming from this nervous system. If we charge our navels like this every day, this takes nothing. This takes nothing, not even few minutes. Not even few minutes, and it works miraculous in your life. Just you have to know the Surya and the Chandra. Yes, Prachi ji, left hand in the night because it's associated with no, right hand. We are doing it with the Surya Nadi, na? Right ko to we are starting with Surya Nadi, so Surya wala hand. And in the morning we are doing with Chandra Nadi, so Chandra hand. So just charge your navel like this. And when you start charging, you will see, you will become a powerhouse of energy. You will become a powerhouse of energy. And once you have energy in your body, you can deal with lot of small diseases yourself. You don't have to run to the doctors. Small issues. 20 times you have to take a deep breath. Just 20 times. You will keep your hand while taking 20 deep breaths. That's it. You take a breath, inhale, wait for a few seconds, and exhale. This set you have to do 20 times, and this is the duration of charging the navel.
And I believe right before we get down from the bed, right?
Yeah, before you do.
Yeah. And then Kriti ji, when you start doing these things, how long it takes for to see the changes, slowly and steadily in the body?
Diabetic, if you start doing it, diabetic thyroid, you will see it within a week.
Within a
Within
week?
not even a week, in a 3 4 days only you can see the difference. If
Okay.
you are sleeping in a Surya Nadi, if your sugar fasting is very high, in 3 to 4 days only you can see the changes. It won't even take weeks. Just 3 4 days you can see the changes. And your pain also. If anybody is over here who are suffering from the early morning pain, who at the time of waking up say my neck is stiff, my hands are stiff, my joints are stiff, it's difficult for me to get out of the bed. That is because of the coolness in your body. And when you are staying in such a low temperature area, it's become more difficult. So sleep in a Surya Nadi, and when you wake up in the morning, you will see your pain is too much less. Same as with migraine, same as with sinus, same as with fever. I told you how to deal with fever, how to deal with cold and cough, how to deal with migraine, how to deal with pain, diabetes. That's it. And it's perfectly okay if your Chandranadi or Surya Nadi is working for continuous 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours in a day. It's perfectly okay. It's perfectly okay.
So I
Yes,
have one more
Ravindra.
question
Yes.
from couple people. So one of the persons said, can it help cure sleep apnea? Apnea, sorry.
Sleep apnea. Yes. So in fact, it has helped me. When I started sleeping in Surya Nadi, I am more peaceful. Otherwise, I was also suffering from the sleep disorder. It has helped me a lot.
Okay.
Why do we don't sleep properly? Because few of the tension, stress, uneasiness of our body. But if we start following this properly, the Surya and Chandra thing, our body will be more ease. What is disease? Disease is ease. When our ease has died in our body, that gives rise to disease. When the ease has died, that rises to disease. And so to charge it, if we start following just the simple technique of Surya and Chandra, our body will be in balance. Slowly, it will become more and more at ease. And when your mental and your physical body at ease, there will be no sleeping disorder.
Awesome. Now, another question is, this is a friend who's working in the IT company. And so, when they work on the computer, I think you did mention yesterday, but burning eyes and increasing power with the glasses, like the people who have number on the eyes. So is there a remedy for that, or is there anything that we need to take care? I wouldn't say remedy, but
Absolutely.
something that we can take care of it.
It's that you can do with mudras. Mudras is totally a different thing. There are a lot of mudras which we do, which is associated with all different type of diseases. But for mudras has to be perfect. Mudras has to be charged. A lot of things is associated with mudra. That is something totally different thing. We will talk about it some other day.
Okay. And there's another one. So somebody, if they have a heavy periods, especially with the ladies' problem, so how can it help?
Yes, Surya Nadi and Chandra Nadi helps a lot in periods also. In any of the menstrual issues which you are going through, that is because of the hotness of the body. When the Surya Tattva increases in your body, you have to take care of drinking water. Drinking water during this time. Whenever you are drinking water, you should remember to drink it in Chandra Nadi only. Because if you drink water in Surya Nadi, it diminishes the fire in your body, and that water doesn't go to your intestine, it directly flows out along with the bleedings. So it's always better to drink water in a Chandra Nadi all the time. But if you are unable to maintain it, but at least you should try to maintain it during the periods time. It is really helpful. It won't give you the feeling of bloating always. It won't give you the feeling of bloating if you are drinking water in a Chandra.
Got it. Now, somebody mentioned about chronic acidity. I believe you did cover the acidity. Now somebody said that they go out in sun, they get headache and feel drained out and exhausted.
That's
So-
what I said. We don't have a proper nervous system, no? You start charging your chi energy, your navel energy, and the headache is because of the sinus. Headache is because of the sinus. If you start working on your Surya Nadi and you start charging your navel and your nervous system, you won't feel drained out. You won't feel drained out.
I think I had, there is also somebody talked about hair loss.
Yes, hair loss is associated with lot of diseases. Like it is associated with depression. It is associated with thyroid. The people who are having thyroid, hypothyroid or hydrothyroid, what we say, जिसमें आप मोटे पतले होते हैं, it is associated with that also. So in that, whenever you have a hair loss and whenever you charge your navel, you do it in this mudra. I will tell you one mudra.
So bending the thumb inside and then
Putting
third
this.
finger.
Yes.
Yes.
Third finger, nahi, both the fingers.
Acha,
Both the
fingers.
fingers, one after the other. You do this and put it in front of your navel. Put it in front of your navel. At
Okay,
least for 20 minutes, you have to. 20 minutes.
20
This
minutes.
will help a lot in hair loss.
Okay. And Priya just messaged me and said about anemic condition where the low hemoglobin in blood.
Low hemoglobin in blood is also, if you follow the Surya and Chandra, most of the disease is due to the hotness and coldness of the, I told you, 90% of the disease are because of this. If you start following it, you won't have to work out on single diseases alone. If you just start following the simple technique of sleeping night at in the Surya Nadi, eating in Surya Nadi, drinking water in Chandra Nadi, most of the things will be rectified. Practically 2 of the people
Yes.
had raised hands.
So Ravindra sir, I'm going to unmute you. Yes.
You said that whatever they for the charging the navel system, you have to put the hand on the navel, our nabi ke upar rakhna hai. So for that, whether this part or any
This, any part will do. Palm also, finger also, any part will do. रात को जब सूर्य नाड़ी चालू हो जाए तब हमें अपना राइट हैंड रखना है. सुबह जब हमारी चंद्र नाड़ी चालू हो जाए तब हमें लेफ्ट हैंड रखना है. This is the charging of the leg.
Thank you. And then mudra also just now which you have shown for the
Surya
hair fall.
mudra. I will send the picture. I will send the picture of few of the mudras. I will
What,
take the
that
picture of my hand and a few of the mudras I will take and will tell you how these mudras are associated.
Okay.
There are 2 or 3 basic mudras I will tell you, and whenever whatever mudra I will tell you, you take that mudra, put it in front of your navel. Half of the thing is pure, but you have to do it at least 20 minutes.
No, but that means you have to point it like gun point. What we say gun
No,
point.
like this
Like
is my
that we have to
navel,
do
like
it?
this is my like this is my navel, and I will put it in front of my navel like this.
Just like we do when we sit in a meditation, we sit in that Buddha, the sacral chakra
हाँ, Buddha
mudra.
position. हाँ,
This
तो
is
आप
the
हाथ
sacral
ऐसे
chakra
रखते
mudra.
हैं, instead of keeping of the hand like this, we will keep it like this in front of our.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Suma has raised hand. So Suma, you can unmute.
I actually had the same question with which Ravindra ji had asked. I just want to know how exactly you place the mudra on the navel. So
Okay.
I think you
I
answered.
will click the picture and send.
And will that work for hair loss as well, or?
Yes. It will help like anything.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, many people had that question. So thank you, Ravindra sir. Any more questions, everybody? What happens to the person who is used to sleep straight? Oh boy.
You should never sleep straight. You should never sleep straight. It's not like it will increase your Sushmana Nadi. It's nothing like that. It's not associated with Sushmana Nadi. But you should always sleep on your left hand side. And if you're uncomfortable sitting in the sleeping in the left, sometimes people do sleep on the right, but it brings a lot of diseases in your body. It is always advisable to sleep on the left.
Awesome. I think we
If you
don't.
will practice it for 15 days, then only you will see the difference. You will just practice it for 15 days, you can yourself make out the difference in your body.
All right. Any more questions? It is 9:40. We can start the meditation. So please let me know if there is any more question. Suma, I think you don't have any more question. I'm going to lower your hand. Thank you so much, everybody. All right. No more questions? Yay. Okay, we can get to the meditation now. Kritiji, I had
So,
made you host.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, there is one hand. Himangi, please go ahead and ask.
I have a question for eczema. Do you think anything we can do for eczema?
Eczema is associated with skin disease.
Skin problem, yeah.
And you know
Yeah.
why do we get skin problem? When we don't let go. When you don't let go. Start letting go, start forgiving people. You will see there's a huge difference in your skin disease. Are you a person who don't let go easily?
I do.
You
See,
think
I
you do.
found out.
You have to go inside.
I found out. You have to go inside, start letting go, start forgiving people. Don't carry the extra baggages. You will see you will have lots and lots of difference in your skin diseases problem.
Oh, okay. Because I'm using so much steroid cream and everything, but it's
Yeah, don't
used
do
for the temporary, and that make me like one time blood pressure high and everything. So I stopped it, and then
yeah. Please don't do that. You just start letting go. Just start forgiving people. Just start to loosen up and drop your baggages. You will see skin
Okay.
diseases always come from inside, or it's associated with the emotional baggages.
Oh,
And
okay.
I just want to say
Sounds
that this
strange,
is
but
so
it's
true. And I have tried and tested as compared to what I was 1 month before to what my skin is now. I have seen the changes. So the more I'm looking at two computers, so you might see my head on the, but yes, if you start let going and forgiving, and even the fear and everything that is going to come out, it will start changing your body automatically. So just keep meditating. I think this is the best and basic for everything.
Okay.
two
Thank.
more hand are raised. Two more hand are raised.
So
Kalpana ji and
Rinki,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
Like based on this Himangi's question, sometimes even kids have eczema. So they are newborn kids, like 4 months, 2 months, 1 month. So see, like even they do have emotional baggage. How will they?
everywhere.
From the
This will might sound you too spiritual, but we always carry our karmas along with us.
it is from the past
life
lives.
karmas. It's from the past life karmas, which we carry along with us.
Because
it is
many-
said that we carry the karma of 600 lives along with us. It is said that I had heard that we carry the karma, good, not only bad karma. Karma is not always a punishment. We carry the karma of 600 life along with us. Even the small children comes with those karmas, those baggages. You should learn how to cut a cord, cut a cord with your past karmas. If once we start doing cutting the cord, things will become very easy.
Yes. And especially the newborn still remembers their past until 40 days. So, all right. Thank you, Rinki. Kalpana ji, you had a question? Your hands is not raised anymore. Is it all good now? You can write. I don't know where you went.
Okay.
Can you unmute now?
Yeah.
Kalpana.
Like I think it might be the same as for the acne. Is it same thing?
For the newborn or
acne.
for you?
No, for the acne.
No, it's acne. It's the
Yeah.
impurities of the blood. It's the impurities of the blood. Start cleansing your blood. Acne
Oh,
is basically from the impurities of the blood, nothing else.
Oh,
You
oh,
drink your water at the right time, because we think we are drinking 10 glasses of water, 10 liters of water, but then
Mm.
also I'm having acne. Why am I having acne when I'm drinking so much of water, but you are drinking water in a wrong time? So it's not fruitful to your body.
oh, okay. Because
Start
my son
drinking water.
and he's drinking more water, but
But it is not helping because you are not drinking water at the right time.
oh, okay. Thank you.
Drink, welcome.
All right. Any more hands? I think we
This is the
are.
reason you say, na, we say I'm working out so much, but still I'm not losing weight. I'm drinking so much water, still I'm getting acne, still my face is not glowing, still I'm eating fruits, but still I'm getting acidity. Why? Because you are eating and drinking wrong thing at a wrong time.
Thank you so much, Asha ji. So this is a pediatrician. Yay, she's one of my favorites. So yes, retired.
So what type of
No.
meditation everybody would like to have today? A small gratitude meditation, surrender meditation. What level of meditation do you do, Prachi? Actually, I will have no
So
idea.
we have done gratitude, self-love. We have done chakras. We have done 7 bodies. We have done quite a few now. Even the souls, they have a souls lesson also. So they are pretty much.
How much time we had left?
We have 45 minutes complete. But there is
Okay, so
one
I
more
will
question
do
from
with
Asha ji.
one. Okay, yeah, sure.
Can I okay. Hang on one second. Okay, Asha ji.
Okay, sorry about that. No, I just wanted to see whether you mentioned about the hypertension.
Hypertension is depression. I told you. I told hypertension is, if you want me to repeat, I will do that. Hypertension is basically from the heat in our body, and
Okay.
from the sleep disorder. Lot of things is associated. It's just if we maintain the hotness and coolness of our body, we'll see where we get tension, we get depression, because when we don't feel good, when we feel low. So low is our mental status. Mental status is associated with Chandrama. Chandrama is associated with our mental status. That means that person's Chandra Nadi is not working properly. If anybody is in the state of depression, they should work more on their Chandra Nadi. Once the Chandra Nadi start activating in their body, they will feel better, because the Chandra energy is coming, and start charging your navel. And once the navel is charged, you will get the flow of prana energy in your body. You will become at peace.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Kriti ji, we can do
So-
surrender or whatever you would like.
Okay, today we will do 7 wonders of the world meditation.
Awesome. That is new for me also.
We all know the 7 wonders of the world, right? 7 wonders of the world. Most of you had seen also the 7 wonders. Why they are called the 7 wonders of the world? Because those things can't be made again. That's why we call them 7 wonders. Because once they had been made, it can't be created once again. In the same way, we had got 7 wonders in our life too, which we overlooked. So today we'll go through those 7 wonders of our life. 7 wonders of a life which can't be created again. Okay. So
And
everybody
Kriti ji,
is
there are
present.
few new people today. So if we want to just show the hand position.
Okay. Whenever we sit for the meditation, we just lock our hands like this. Because we lock our hand like this, we'll cross our legs. If anybody is unable to cross their legs due to the sitting posture or a pain in their leg, they can straight and then cross their feet like this. Try to keep your spine straight, but if due to any issues we are unable to keep your spine straight, you can sit in a comfortable position, take a pillow in the back, give a rest. No need of giving your body some strain. There is no need to give your body a strain, because if your body is not comfortable, you will not be able to concentrate on the meditation. and keep your eyes closed. Please don't open your eyes until and unless I ask you to. Because when we go deep into the meditation and you suddenly open your eyes, it's give a bit shock to your brain, which we want to avoid.
Thank you.
So everybody just close your eyes. Today we will visit the 7 wonders of our life.